Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Achari Paneer. Before that, please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. To make this recipe, first step is marination. For that we need 1 cup of thick yogurt. To that add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Dhaniya powder, half teaspoon crushed mustard, half teaspoon Garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon Fenugreek powder, 1 teaspoon Fennel powder, 1 teaspoon of Gingergarlic paste, 1 teaspoon kasoori methi, half lemon squeezed, two tablespoons of oil, salt to taste. Mix everything well till it gets combined. Adding 1 tablespoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of any pickle syrup. Here I am adding mango pickle. After mixing the masalas, add the onions and the bell peppers. I have cut them into big pieces. Mix again. Now add the paneer pieces. Mix well till all the masalas get coated in the paneer and the bell peppers. Once the marination is done, keep this in the fridge for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, I am going to skewer this. Here I am using pan or tawa to make this tikka. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan and let it heat. Once the pan is hot, add the skewered paneer one by one. Cook it on the medium heat. Cook until it is golden brown on all the sides. By turning the skewers like this, serve hot when it becomes golden brown on all the sides. Hope you like my video. Do try this recipe and give me your feedback. Please like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all my new updates. Thank you. Bye.